Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Google Sheets add-ons or extensions. So Google Sheets add-ons are third-party apps that you can use in your Google Sheets worksheets, and if you do not need a Google Sheets add-on anymore, you can of course remove those add-ons from your Google Sheets, and all you have to do is open up a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So in this example we have this project management sheet. And if we click on extensions here, you're going to see all the extensions you have already installed in your Google Sheets. And if you want to remove a Google Sheets add-on, all you have to do is click on add-ons here and select manage add-ons. And this will open up all the extensions or add-ons you have already installed. And if you want to uninstall an add-on, just go to the add-on you want to uninstall or remove from Google Sheets, select the three dots here and select uninstall, and confirm that you want to uninstall this Google Sheets app. And now as you can see, that extension or add-on has been removed. So now this is how you can uninstall or remove Google Sheets add-ons. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.